Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install iOS launcher on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now from here, just search iOS launcher. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to install the app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, just select your language. Now from here, once you select your language, just tap on continue. Now from here, tap on next. Now from here, tap on get started. Now from here, just choose a background for your smartphone. I will select this one. Now from here, just tap on continue. Now from here, tap on continue with free version. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds for the launcher to apply. Now from here, just tap on the screen and tap on set as default. Now from here, just select launcher OS. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed and applied the iOS launcher on our Vivo phone. And this is how you can install iOS launcher on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.